Okay guys, I don't make YouTube videos. I'm terrible at it. My voice sucks. I have a hard time talking. But I gotta say, I just got this Evil Energy oil cooler off of Amazon. Now it's a universal kit, but I am very impressed. These are very nice hoses. They're 10 AN, 90 on one end, straight on the other. Pretty decent instructions. I mean, they're really basic. But man, this kit for $100. This is a great sandwich plate. It comes with the adapters, the 20 millimeter and the 3/4. Nice little hose clamp to hold the hoses. And the oil cooler itself looks really good. Now, I've been shopping a lot of different oil coolers for my STI, and now, granted, I have fabrication skills. I have a TIG welder. Like, I'll be able to make proper brackets and whatnot, but there are certain oil coolers out there that are $800 to $900, and I just don't see I don't see the reason spending the money. I mean, oil cooler basically is pretty simple. This is the most important part, of course, the sandwich plate, and this is a nice one. It comes with two NP18 NPT ports and for gauges. So yeah, I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna give it a shot. $100. What can I lose? Like, I'll have to make some ducting, and I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but yeah, I think this is actually a pretty cool little kit here on my bed. And not being an actual YouTuber, but yeah, I think this is a good way to go.